Sumaya look like this flower. The flower behind her. Look, my flower, my flower. And look that flower. Look at her. Look at her. Alam. Oh my God, she's so cute. She's so cute. This is kadak chai. د دوی خوراک ډېر ښکلي او موږ ناشته هم نه ده کړې که all my grandchildren are here. So my Ayla's here. Ayla, show you watch the one Sumo bought you. So क्या हुआ कि जब मैंने एला को वॉच ली ना तो कैलब लड़ने लगा. कैलब से you gave her Mac, you gave her iPad, now you give her Apple Watch. Why is that? And I say I give you iPad, and he said but no Mac. I say when you are Ella age I'll give you Mac. तो बच्चों में भी मुकाबला शुरू हो गया. and इसको देखिए. She putting dirty key in her mouth. and हमारे खाने का ऑर्डर हमेशा ये प्रीति गर्ल का. Irene, go next to
Dal roll.
Look at that.
Dal and paratha no.
Wait. Mama.
Chili paneer no. Punjabi samosa baby.
What's your favorite? My favorite food. Everything. I love food. Isn't it?
My favorite food.
Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Now,
My favorite food is everything.
what's your favorite food? What do you think? I know. I know.
It's true, but my favorite.
Your favorite is my pasta?
My favorite is my.
I know Nafia back of my hand. Like back of my hand.
My favorite food is
Everything.
no. Mummy's shepherd's pie.
Oh, shepherd's pie.
And Sumo's paratha.
No. Someone's what's that thing called again? What's that thing you always make?
इसको देखिए. Wow. I make so many dishes. Waha, the कढ़ाई. इसको जरा देखिए. ये मैडम को जरा देखिए. बैन को हिट कर रही है. देखो बहुत ही नोटी है. That's gonna be nice picture for thumbnail. तीनों अपने बाप के साथ बातें कर रहे हैं.
Ow! Zafo the baby, I'm gonna. Baba, Zafo the baby.
जिसे आसान कर दे. सुमैया को पापा कह रहे हैं वेट लूज करो.
Mama, don't say that.
सुमैया कहती है मैं ब्रेस्ट फीड कर रही हूँ.
वजन कम के
वजन कम के.
ډېر فري شوخه
ډېر فري شو کنه. وې زما ښځه ستاسو ټولو نه ښکلې ده. तो पापा इनको कह रहे हैं कि मेरी बीवी तुम लोगों से प्यारी है. ये देखो ये कोई कहने की बात है.
कहने की बात है मगर I know. नहीं है.
او سيتي لونكي نه دلته تاسو نه راغلی اډونت
نه دا نه وی کلاش
نه وی دی لکه او سلور میاشتې به شوی.
But no one is beautiful as this girl.
Zeta son no sé.
ونی پورې
زستا سن وسیم پښتو کې خبرې وکړه. پاپا سره پښتو کې خبرې وکړه. پښتو ختم شوه.
Where are you?
Aya.
Pakistan.
बिल्कुल सुमैया Sumaya, that's a copy of Sumaya.
I thought she looks like me though.
No, she mixture of you. You and Sumaya look like them.
Her eyes are like mine.
That one look like me. 100% look like me.
This look like? She looks crazy.
She look like Sumaya as well. She's another Sumaya.
I like
Kana Papa? She look like Sumaya. Look, so na badniyat. Look.
You want me to take you? I'll take you.
And even him, he look like Sumaya.
I'll take you.
Yom saat pehna lete rahe.
Bumba.
That's Yusuf. Yusuf!
What are you doing, madam? And she look like Iqbal, mini Iqbal.
Got it. Caleb, got it.
Caleb, give me here.
Kattu?
Give me here, na.
That's for there. Now she's gonna model for like 20 minutes. This is yours.
So me and Nafia used to come when Nafia was little in this road park, and now Nafia children are here. My God. Nafia, life is too fast. Too fast. So इस तरह इसी हिल पे मैं नाफिया को पकड़ के नीचे उतरती थी, और अब मैं नाफिया अपने बच्चों को पकड़ के नीचे उतर रही है. Oh God. It's very, very, very cold. So come from Pakistan, 40 temperature, and it's so cold. I can't take this cold. I'm going back to the car. I'm going back to the car.
I love you.
Nafia, let's go both to the car. They kill you. Okay. I'm going back to the car. See you in Nafia house. So मैं जा रही थी कार में, पर हरीम कहती है कि नहीं जाओगी, इधर बैठोगी, मुझे झूला दे रही. तो मैं रुक गई हूँ. नाफिया सामने बैठी हुई है, अपनी माँ को छोड़ के मुझे कहती है मुझे झूला दो. तो मैं इधर रह गई हूँ, अब झूला दे रही हूँ, पर सर्दी बहुत है. पाकिस्तान की गर्मी से आके इधर सर्दी. Sumaya, you remember you used to come here. Now your children come here.
Yeah, exactly.
How you feel?
I feel old.
आपको कैसे लगा है यहाँ पे आके?
मैं बहुत जोर फील करते हैं.
जोर फील करते? इसका क्या मतलब है? बूढ़ी फील करते हैं.
बुढ़ा.
ये बुढ़ा फील करता है. ये बुढ़ा फील करता है. ये मेरी बेटी लगती है? नहीं. You look like my daughter? No. She look like my sister.
Yeah, I do look like your sister.
आई मेरे हाथ में बहुत दर्द है. इसको ब्याह लाड़ू कोक शो.
खूब लगे हुए.
Yeah. So इधर एक दफा सुमैया मुझसे खो गई थी.
Really?
Yeah. और जब देखा तो उधर बोट के पास खड़ी थी. और मलिया हर वक्त खोती थी. खोती. You know what's खोती, Malia?
I don't.
Khoti is donkey.
Ya Allah. So I got lost, yeah?
You got lost.
Where were you?
And I found you by the boat then.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, she gone. You know, by the stairs, by the boat. Because she would keep asking me, I want to go in a boat, and I say no, we haven't got time. And then she quickly sneak and just go.
Even did. I'm so bad. Guys, spun your head.
Yeah. Aya gaane gaati hai proper.
I killed you.
Yeah. And I want to give you her smack.
That's why my kids are killing me.
Yeah.
What goes around comes around.
What goes around comes around.
After you eat too, that's got stress. No?
मेरे दांत कितने जर्द हुए हैं कॉफी पी के. व्हाइटनिंग करूंगी अब.
मम्मा तो खूब अच्छा.
भाई जा रहे हैं अपनी हुस्बैंड को मिलने जा रहे हैं.
माशाल्लाह.
ख्याल तो करना पड़ेगा.
Of course, definitely. You need to dye your hair as well.
मैं डाई करूँ नहीं, मुझे डाई बहुत बुरा लगता है. कलर चेंज करना अच्छा लगता है, बट डाई करना बहुत बुरा लगता है. सारे बाल सफेद हैं. Who care?
Yeah, who cares?
क्योंकि मैंने ब्लॉन्ड किए हैं तो ब्लॉन्ड में सफेद.
I've got white hair.
ये my blonde mixed with my white hair, so it's good.
Oh wow.
उधर से पकड़ लो, मेरा हाथ थक गया. आई हाय, टुंडी भी हूँ, टुंडी. So कैसे हैं आप लोग? आप लोग ठीक हैं? हम भी ठीक हैं. आपकी खैरियत अल्लाह से नेक मतलूब चाहते हैं.
What are you talking about? Even the rheumatologist said to me, he was like,
Oh,
he
you're
goes,
crying.
he goes to me.
जब
I
कुछ
was
नहीं
like,
रहता तो फिर ऐसी
my
बातें
tea,
शुरू
I
हो
went
जाती
like, he
हैं
was like, I wouldn't recommend
सुबह
it.
सुबह look ये मेरे हाथ का हाल है look
But I would recommend maybe
look ये
swimming.
ऐसे हो
Because you
गया
go swimming.
बस ये अब ऐसे हो गया ये
I
एक
went
उंगली
2 times.
अब इस तरफ पे और ये मेरी बैटरी खत्म हो रही है ये कोई बात है
You didn't charge it?
आई चार्ज है look ये मेरा हाथ अब ऐसे है अब सुमैया कहती है मेरा हाथ ऐसे I'm like this ये अब 15 मिनट तक ऐसे रहेगा ये देखो सिर्फ कैमरा पकड़ने से ये खुल गया और इतना दर्द कर रहा है ये ऐसे करूंगी ना अब जब खोलूंगी ये देखिए ये ऐसे खुलेगा अच्छा बैटरी ख़त्म हो रही है बैटरी चार्ज करती हूँ फिर आती हूँ इस व्लॉग को कंप्लीट करती हूँ और एक और व्लॉग बनाती हूँ जो कि आपको मैं बताऊँगी कि पाकिस्तान के लोगों के साथ क्या डील करते हैं और क्या डील नहीं करते हैं और अब जब ज़्यादा देर के लिए पाकिस्तान में रहते हो तो लोगों के ट्रू फेस कैसे देखते हो क्योंकि 1 वीक में तुम लोगों का ट्रू फेस नज़र नहीं आता समझ नहीं आता तो ज़्यादा देर के लिए कोई जा रहा है तो मेरा व्लॉग देखे नेक्स्ट व्लॉग खलको अस्सलाम वालेकुम so today vlog is a day out with my handsome son Saeedur Rahman. He take me out for what? To feed me nice noodles. So after 3 months, no, nearly 2.5 months, my favorite noodle with my favorite boy. Sir, you like food here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Or Pakistan?
Noodles are good here.
So, yeah, Pakistan food are lush, but you know, nothing beats UK food. Amazing, clean, yummy. We just come here to Isapinat Park. Children having barbecue here. Saad is there. So we're having a little barbecue here with Saad and family. We'll join the rest of the children. It's beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful place. तो बच्चे जब छोटे थे तो हम यहाँ पे आया करते थे बारबेक्यू वगैरह करने के लिए बेचारा इतना बड़ा बैग पानी का उठा के लेके जा रहे साथ इज़ हैवी सुबैया का फ़ोन आ गया था कि पानी साथ लेके आओ वो क्विकली रन टू मी ये सारे मेरे बचूंगड़े मेरे पास दौड़ के आ गए हैं किबी ये इधर बारबेक्यू कर रहे हैं झूलों में बैठे हैं तो हम ज्वाइन कर लेंगे इनको मिया यूसुफ आ गया दौड़ के oh God. It's a bit sunny but still cold.
Yeah, baby.
Malu?
Hi, Mom.
Nani?
You got right on my nose?
Yes. Hey, help me. So everyone waiting for what? For barbecue.
This is
Katu gonna make me some. Katu, you make me some? I love you. So I come here and Ella mood is not really good. So why Ella? Come and tell me. No? You don't want to? You don't want to share it? Okay, Ella don't want to share it, okay? And what are you doing? Huh? What's that?
So where's he going then?
What's that?
He's in
My baby. Look at that, my prince. Are you my prince? Are you my prince? Big fat burger. And he has eating big fat burger.
Yeah, I want. Yeah.
too late now.
Well, you didn't have a
Yeah. I ask you, ketchup or barbecue sauce? You say barbecue. You say ketchup. What are you eating, Mafia?
I'm having a hot dog.
The marshmallow.
No, marshmallow.
Nika's marshmallow almost.
That's how it's
The
supposed to
glass
be.
on fire.
Look at that. Caleb bum.
Man, I can't even see this damn thing.
Bro.
Let me do it.
Do you want to chocolate?
Sumaya is sleeping in Sumaya lap.
She wants chocolate.
Sumaya. Who wants chocolate?
This one wants chocolate. Hey, Yusuf, can you give Yusuf some chocolate?
Yeah.
Some chocolate?